Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial videos. In this video I just want to show you how to understand appearance in WordPress. And basically when you take a mouse to appearance, several things comes up. There's themes, there's customize, there's widget, there's menus, background, and theme editor. Now the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to click on themes. When you click on themes, automatically these themes will appear. Now practically speaking, these themes are default themes that comes with WordPress on installations. So there are different things you must understand about themes. Themes basically are templates that determines how your website will appear. That's what themes are. Okay. And if you check closely, there's something called update now. The other one is showing update now, and this one is showing theme details when you hover on it. Same here. Now update now means there is a newer version of this theme, right? But whenever you see update now, it means that there's a newer version of that particular theme, right? Okay, so we can add new theme. So when we click on add new, okay, let's take it gradually. When we click on update now, automatically it starts updating. Now this updating is done online, so it's downloading the recent appearance or the recent graphical structure of this 2020 theme, right? Okay, that's the title. Update field, the theme is the latest version. Okay, so it's giving us an error. So I'm going to cancel this. Okay, perfect. So I'll do the same here. And let's hold on for it to update. That's how updating works. So you just click and it will start updating. Now we can change the theme, right? Okay, so the theme that is here is this 2020 theme. It's showing updated. Okay, so I can change the theme. How do we change the theme? Is either we click on the theme to see the details. Details means you read through the concept, the idea, the tags, and little details that has to do with this theme. So the next thing you're going to click on is you can click on activate. Once you click on activate, it starts loading, and now what is it showing? Activated. So this theme now is active. So I've changed my theme from 2020 theme to this 2017. Now that's the title of the theme. This theme is called 2020, while this theme is called 2017. So I've switched my theme from 2020 to 2017. So let me go back to my browser. Okay, this is my browser, and this was the website. So let me refresh the last page we left. Now when we refresh it, you're going to see a slight change. Why is that? Did it change? It's changed because we're using another theme entirely. So let me go to localhost test. Let me delete this, and I'll hit enter. Now you're going to see that the appearance has changed. Can you see it? The appearance of the website has totally changed. Why? Because we've changed our theme. So practically speaking, a theme changes the complete or the entire appearance of a website, right? So let's go back. We can add new theme. Adding new theme means getting another new set of theme. You can either upload from your computer or you can download the theme. So to add new theme, you can either click on add new, or you click on this. So let me click on this. It loads. Now it will load and show you options that are available on the internet. Now all of these options you've seen are the ones available on the internet. There are different options that you can download and use. You can install and use immediately. Now remember, if you look at them, they are so beautiful, right? They have so many features, but practically speaking, it's just showing you what this theme could appear. Can appear like, right? That does not mean when you install it, it automatically appear like this. No. simply means this is how the theme may end up looking like if you know how to edit and maneuver your way around it. So let's just click on this. Now all these themes you've seen here are the ones that the internet has provided for us when we click on add new. Remember, I'm connected to the internet, right? Okay, so let's install this first one. Let me just click on install. Now what this show is that you start installing immediately. It's showing installing. Now it depends on the size of the theme. If the theme is big, it's going to take time. If it's not, it's going to take less time. So it's installing. Now there's another way of installing theme. It's called upload. So let me right click on this while the theme is still installing. I'll right click. Oh, it's not showing open a new tab. I would have shown you how to upload a theme entirely, right? But as it's installing, we can still be uploading our theme. It does not really mean anything because it's getting the content from the internet. So let me click on upload, right? When you click on upload, this appears. Remember, when you want to upload themes, plugins in WordPress, those things must be in zip format. Now WordPress has the capacity to unzip every item that is zipped that you uploaded, right? It's a very powerful tool. So we can click on choose file. When we click on choose file, we can now trace the directory of the file. Then we select, we'll now click on install. That's how to install a theme, practically speaking, right? That's installing a theme offline. Now if you check closely, the theme we've installed have now finally downloaded. So now it's now in our WordPress folder. So we can choose to activate it. It's going to take some time for it to activate. Activate means make this particular theme our default theme. Remember, whenever you finish installing a theme, the theme has something called recommendations. Okay, now this theme is recommending that you install all of this template next toolkit. It's also asking you install its default plugin, or it's asking you to dismiss the notice. Now let's go back to our website. Let me refresh it. You're going to see that the appearance of the website will change. Practically speaking, it has changed. Wow, I think it's beautiful now, right? Now why did the appearance of the website change? It's changed because we are using another theme, right? Okay, so this is our blog page, this is our home page, this is our blog page. Now all of these images you've seen are images that are provided by what? The plugin or by the theme. Are we together? Okay, now if you can check closely, this is my story and this is the hello world. This is actually the comment page or the blog page, right? So all of these images you've seen are provided by what? The theme we just installed. So a theme has the capacity to install some templates and appearances, pages, images on its own. So some basic default appearance comes with a theme also. So if you check, we never added this picture. How did the picture come? It came with the theme. As we downloaded the theme, this picture was downloaded alongside the theme. So let's go back to our home page. Okay, now there are some few things I want to show you about plugins, but that will do when we get to plugins. Okay, that's it for theme basically. So you can customize your theme. To customize your theme means you change the way your theme is. So when I click on customize, it's going to display a page that will enable me to change some few things that I want. So with customization, you can change the site identity, right? You can change the background, you can edit the menu, home page settings, layout options, and the likes. Now this theme is so robust. We can do a lot with it, but editing of theme, I will show you how that is done in the next video. But let me go ahead to show you how to delete a theme. Now, for the sake of the class, we'll be working with the new theme we've installed. So let's go back to themes. We'll be working with this theme. So now, this particular themes, these other themes, we will end up deleting it. How do we delete a theme? We'll just click on theme details, and you see a button called delete. So click on delete. Right? So click again, theme details, delete. Now what we are doing is that we are deleting all these themes because we don't need them again. Why? We don't need the themes again because we have gotten a better theme that is more robust. So this is the theme we'll be using for our website. So in the next video, I'll be showing you some few things about customize. How to customize a theme, how to change the appearance, how to add your logo to the website, how to manipulate, how to add colors, change the colors, how to put background image, menus and likes. Now it's going to be a very interesting class, as simple as that, and I'm assuring you, you're going to enjoy the next section. But one thing I want you to do, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and make comment for aspects or areas you don't understand in this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.